Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Nel. Okay, so today po we'll be subtracting similar fractions. Okay, so let us answer number 1. 2/5 minus 1/5. Okay, so again po dapat alam po natin ang rules sa pag-subtract ng similar fractions. Okay, subtract the numerators, then copy the denominator. Okay, so in this case, 2 minus 1 over, copy the denominator, 5. Okay, so after that, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, then copy the denominator, 5. So that is equal to 1/5. Ganun lang po siya kadali, no? Next, number 2. So, 4 over 9 minus 1 over 9. Okay? So, again, ang unang step, subtract natin yung numerators. So, 4 minus 1 over, copy the denominator, 9. Okay? Then, let's proceed, no? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then, copy the denominator, 9. Okay? So, in this case po, kailangan natin kunin ang kanyang lowest term. Okay, so as you can see, yung 3 at 9 ay may greatest common factor na 3. So, i-divide natin silang dalawa by 3. Okay po? So, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Tama? And 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so ang sagot ay 1/3. Okay po? Last, number 3. Okay, so 5 over 12 minus 3 over 12. Okay, ulitin ko po, ang unang step, subtract lang natin ang numerators. Okay, so 5 and 3. So that is 5 minus 3 divided by, copy the denominator. Okay, or over 12. Next, proceed na tayo sa operation dito sa numerator, So, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then, copy yung denominator sa baba, which is 12. Kaya, 2 over 12. Okay? So, in this case po, kailangan pa rin natin siyang i-lowest term. Okay? So, ano kaya yung pwede nating i-divide sa kanilang dalawa? Or yung greatest common factor nila ay 2. Okay po? So, 2 divided by 2, then 12 divided by 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So, that is equal to 1 over 6. Okay po? So, kung clear na po yan, pwede ba nating sagutan itong dalawang katanungan? Ayan, itong dalawang items na to. So, 6 over 7 minus 2 over 7. And number 2 is 6 over 15 minus 1 over 15. Okay po? So, kung clear na po yan, pakitype nga po ang inyong mga sagot sa ating comment section. Okay po? So, kung sa tingin nyo ay nakatulong po itong video, please paki-like naman po itong ating video at pa-subscribe na rin po sa ating channel. Okay po? So, that's all po. Thank you.